Hey guys, today I will show you how to set up a Ringba and Facebook campaign with ClickFlare. First thing first, what you need to do is you need to create a tag manager on ClickFlare which will push the Ringba number pull script. Also will generate the ClickFlare click ID valid, so when a conversion happens, Ringba will fire that conversion with that click ID back to us. So first you need to go to tag manager and you need to create a container, so this name is Ringba. Once you create a container, you need to create a tag and you'll search for Ringba. You need to create a trigger and let's give this a name, Ringba script trigger, and this will fire on page view. Also, we'll be needing a Ringba campaign ID, which we can get in Ringba. So let's click in one of those campaigns and copy the click ID on the URL above. Paste this and hit save. Oh, let's give this a name. Hit save. And once it's saved, you need to publish this container. Now, once the container is published, you need to copy the script right here and you need to paste it on your offer page, basically on the page where the call is going to be made. Copy this one, paste it over there, and let's go ahead and set up the flow on the ClickFlare side. First, you need to create the offer. Of course, it's going to be the Ringba page. So you click new, give this a name, Ringba offer. And here you will enter your offer URL. And that's it. Click save. Next, you need to create the topic source. We are using Facebook as an example. All you need to do is click new, search for Facebook, give this topic source a name, scroll down and make sure to connect your cost and conversion API integration if you already done them, and hit save. I've already done it, so I'll just click X. The final step is to create the campaign. Click new, give this campaign a name. Select traffic source. Okay, cost model not tracked, transaction redirect, hit next. On the path name right here, select offers only and search for the Ringba offer. Hit save. And that's it on the ClickFlare side. The only thing that you need to do now is you need to copy this campaign tracking URL and paste it on your Facebook ads URL. And that's it. Now there's a couple of things that we need to do on the Ringba panel. We are going to create the URL parameters and implement the ClickFlare postback. So let's go to our Ringba panel. So we are here at campaigns, click inside of the campaign, and here you need to add the URL parameter which will capture or save our click ID. So you need to create new, and the URL parameter is going to be click ID, reporting menu name. You can name this as you want. I'll do it like so, and the reporting name click ID also. Once you're done, hit create, but I've already done this a couple of times, so I'll cancel it. And if you scroll below URL parameters, you'll see tracking pixel. Here you'll be able to paste our postback. So you need to add pixel, give us a name, let's say converted call, and you need to fire pixel on converted. Next up, you'll need to add your postback here, and we can grab the postback if we go to settings, tracking URLs. You have this postback URL right here, copy it and paste it. Now with just click ID, we need to replace it with our URL parameter that we created up here. Now let's search for it. Let's search for token, click ID. So the user, click ID. Oh, we need to replace it here just after the click ID. The same we will do with the payout, but for some reason Ringba doesn't paste the value on the cursor. Conversion payout, so go to this one, paste it here. And also the transaction ID. This can be something unique like the caller ID or the number. Let's call connection ID, for example, or inbound call ID. You can put whatever you want. Next, you need to add the conversion type, and you have the initiated call, converted call, or qualified call. Depending how your parameters is on the ClickFlare side, it should be just the same here on the Ringba's postback. And what I mean by that is, if we go to ClickFlare under the custom conversions, you see you have this converted call and the parameter. So you need to copy this one from here and paste it, and make sure that you have no uppercase, no spaces, because it's really sensitive. And if you'd like to track other parameters, you can do so by adding parameter 1. And let's say you want to search for the zip code, you can add param 2, and let's say the user campaign ID, so on and so forth. You can do this with up to 20 parameters. Once you're done, you click create, and that's it, you're good to go. Basically, in a nutshell, this was the whole flow on how to create a ClickFlare campaign using Ringba and Facebook. This is pretty straightforward and pretty simple.